state prosecutors have been lashed by a Supreme Court of Appeal judge for 6 years of delays and dishonesty in prosecuting a couple accused of stealing cigarettes worth $5 million. Judge Mohammed Nafsar granted an application by PNR and Anthea Van Heerden, of Outshorn in the Western Cape, that their prosecution must be abandoned, saying the conduct of the National Director of Public Prosecutions had violated their right to a fair trial. Nafsar also ordered that all the couple's property, worth $2.1 million when it was attached under the Prevention of Organized Crime Act in 2011, be returned to them, after hearing evidence that they were relying on church food handouts to survive. He acknowledged that the Van Heerdens had applied for an extraordinary court order, but said the dishonest and unacceptable conduct of the state cannot go unnoticed. The couple both worked for British American Tobacco's giant cigarette factory in Heidelberg, Gauteng, when they were accused of theft and fired early in 2010. After being arrested in August 2011 and held in custody for 3 days, they appeared in Cape Town Magistrates Court for the first time, charged with stealing hundreds of boxes of cigarettes worth $5 million. In his judgment on Monday, Nafsar described 18 further court appearances in the next 4 years, culminating in the case being struck off the roll by a magistrate at Khayelitsha Regional Court in September 2015. More than 3.5 years after the arrest of the Van Heerdens, the state was still attempting to finalize a charge sheet, said Nafsar. In December 2015, the Van Heerdens applied to the High Court in Cape Town for a permanent stay of prosecution, and appealed after losing. Said Nafsar, the state was irresponsibly lax in investigating the case, and moving forward with a prosecution. Substantial and material parts of the delays were occasioned by the inertia and vacillation of the prosecutors. At the heart of their case are the contentions that, due to the very many delays and the paucity of information supplied by the state, they have in effect been denied a fair trial. Speaking to Times Live, PNR Van Heerden said he did not want to comment because he and his wife wanted to put the 6-year legal ordeal behind them. The NDPP was ordered to pay the couple's legal costs in the Supreme Court of Appeal case.